You take any data for searching. This example I am going to apply on normal thing. Searching exactly 1K. Exactly 1K. How do you look into that? Letter called 1K. How do you look into that? Tell me. What is this now? Search pattern is equal to SP is equal to what I can say? I can write simply K. I can write simply K. What is this now? Match table is equal to what is this? RE dot find ITER of what? Search pattern comma GD. Search pattern comma GD. How do you look into that now? For MAT in where? MAT tab, print of what here? Start index, colon. Next is what I am writing? End index colon. And next is called what value colon. Dot format of what? MAT dot start, comma, MAT dot end. Now MAT dot what? Group I am writing. See students, this is called what? Format function, it is available. Okay. And as usual, for your clarity in output purpose, I'll just write like this. Okay. So coming to the point back. So for clarity in output purpose, I'm just writing like this. Now let's watch this now. Exactly 1K it is looking for. So import RE. Import what? RE. Okay. Coming to the command prompt, important students. So looking for, so Python 7 AM, regular expressions here. So I'm going to keep it py, regular expression 2, exactly 1K it is looking, right? So where it is available? That case only it is looking for. What is this index? 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1K. If you take this output, so I'm keeping the output of everything here. You observe it and see this now. What is this 0 to 1? In 0 index, 1K is there. 0 to 1K. Next is called what? 1. V is there. 2 to 3. Actually, 2 Ks are there. But it is looking for what? 1K, 1K. Each separate K. 2, 3 and 3, 4. Separately it is looking for. It is called what? Single occurrence. Even you can write the same thing like this also. How do you look into that? You can write like this also. What is this is called? Programmer defined character class. Programmer defined character class. See the same answer coming or not? Regular expression to be prepared always with our intelligence. It is 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, tables we learn it. When mathematics sum is given, we have to apply our mathematics creativity by learning the subject formulas. So here I can write it. I am writing simply called what? K. It is looking for what? Exactly 1K. You can write it directly here what SP I can write it, GD I can write it, and we got the output like this. Okay. So coming to the, if I take K, for example, if I am looking for some letter, not only K, I am taking my initial name here, you take your own initial name. Exactly searching for 1K. Exactly searching for 1K. Now, I want to look for what? 1 or more Ks I want to look for. Suppose you are going for some supermarket. You are asking your parent, bring biscuit packet. Means how many? Only 1. You are saying, bring biscuit packet plus. What is the meaning of plus? Meaning of plus is, in regular expression, either 1 or more. Understand? So here I am writing K plus, important, K plus. Meaning is searching for either 1K or what? More Ks. Either 1K or what? More Ks. Searching for either 1K or what? More Ks. How do you apply that? Go for our example. What is our example? You carry that, you carry this example. I will take up this same program. Observe it. I'll go to this place. Here I am saying, copy this. Program for demonstrating, searching for either 1K or what? More case. 23.py. What? K plus. Do you know what is happening when you take K plus? You take this data and see how this preparation will be done. Okay, ma, thank you. Now coming to the point of it, here I am taking KV, KKV, KKV and then KV. What is happening? Start index and next is called what? End index, and next is called what? A value. I am taking that. What is happening now? K plus. What is the meaning of K plus? Our find ITR will do what? Look for either 1K or more K. So first what it will look for, student? First it will visit to the given data. First it found what? 1K. What is written? 0, 1, 1K is found. How do you know that it is 1K only? Because after K, what is there? 1 V is there now. That's why it felt that 1K. After this V is over, what are available? 2 Ks are available. 2 Ks are available. Are you following me? 2 Ks are available. Tell me now, this is comes under 2K. What is mentioned, recorded already? 0, 1, 1K is there. Next, what is coming? 2 Ks are there. Because of K plus, it looks for either 1K or more K. What is the answer now? 2, 4. What is printed? KK is printed. Next, after that, why only 2 Ks are taken? Because after that one V is there, na? That's why. After that, what are there? 3 Ks are there. What is this now? 5 and then what? 8. How many Ks are there? 3 Ks are there. Why only 3 Ks? Because after that one V is there. One V is there. After that, what is this now? 9, na? 8 or 9? Na? Are you saying correctly? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next now is what? 9, 10. 1K is available. What is the meaning of it? Search for either 1K or more number of Ks. So plus is the most useful thing. Try to execute now. Whatever answer I said, you are supposed to get it. Execute this part of it. Now see here, students. Py, regular expression 3, 0 to 1 K, 2 to 4, 1, 2 Ks, 5 to 8, 3 Ks, and 9 to 10, 1 more K is available. Are you following me? This is comes under what? Searching for exactly 1K. Suppose if I write V, I will write it. What is happening now? Searching for either 1V or more number of Vs. So 1 2 to 1V is there, 4 to 5 1V is there. It is searching for 1V only. Right? Because I prepared in searching what? K plus. Did you understand this meaning, students? Right, done. So I will just bring this answer and I'll keep it. I will apply these quantifiers in my programming, which is going to start now. So actually I supposed to complete yesterday. So it was not completed. Students in online, did you understand this K plus? Did you understand this K plus? Please confirm it. Third, I'm going for the third part of it. I'm going to the next part of it. Next, I'm taking K star. What is the K star? K star, when we write it, Mr. Vamsi, my dear student, please go for, if I write KV plus, what will happen, guys? It will be happening what? KV, KV, KV only. And KV here, right or not? So, coming to the point back, what is happening? KV, KV, KV. It is searching for what? Simple. You don't understand how, my dear student. So coming to the point of it. So here I'm going to take up. I hope you are understanding. Are you following? Next I'm going for which symbol? K star. K star I am going to take it. What is the K star says? K star. The symbol called star says either search for what? Plus says what? Either 1K or more K. More K, right? This star says either 0K or what? 1K or what here? More Ks. It extra search for what? 0K also. What is the meaning of 0K? It will tell that in which position K is not there. That also will tell us. If I go to that formula, I am writing searching for either 0K or what? 1K or more Ks or more Ks. More Ks it looks for. How do you go for it? Coming to this example here, searching for either 1K or more Ks. Now I'm going to add with what? 0 also will be searched. So if you are not interested to 0 things, need not to use star. You can use what? Plus. Searching for 0K or 1K or more Ks. This is called what? 24.py. 24.py. So I'm going to say here I written like this. Now I'm going to say K star. How it is working? You please look into that. I'll write a table here. What is the table here? What is this now? Start index. Next is called what? End index. And next is what? Value. What is the starting index here? 0, 1. 1K is present or not? This K is over. First index value is over. Next is what? 1 is there now. 1. 1. Nothing is printed. That is called 0K. And at one place, 0 Ks are there. It is saying that wherever it is present, it will print 1K or more Ks. Wherever it is not there, it is printing what? 0 Ks also. Are you following? Next is called what? 2 and then what? 4. What is there? K is there. Next after that, what is happening? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In fourth place, what is not there? No K is present. And 5 to what next? 8. How many Ks are there? 3 Ks are there. Next is what is happening? In 8th place, what is not there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 8th place, there is no K at all. There is no K at all. What is next? 9th place, what is there? 1 K is available. 9 and 10. 9 and 10, 1 K is there. After that, what is there? 11 also, what is not there? No K is available. If the index is correct, here this is going to print either 0K or 1. Each position will be coming. Wherever multiple Ks are there, multiple Ks will print. Wherever there is no Ks are there, nothing will be printed. Even end index plus 1 also will be taken and then printed. You try to run this code. So the formula is what? Searching for either 0K or 1K or more number of Ks. Py, see this now. What is happening? Carefully follow. What is this now? 0 and 1 K is there. 1, no K is there. 2, 4, 2 Ks are there. 4, no K is there. 5 to 8, 1 K is there. 8 to 8, no K is there. 9 and 10, 1 K is there. 10 also, last is called what? V, no K is there. End index plus 1 also is said. That also will be coming. This indicates what? 0K, 1K or what? More Ks will be there. This is printed by what? This is printed by what? Come on. Right, K star. So this I will bring it here. This is an output of this example. Coming to this place, I am going to say, here I will paste it. I hope you understand the K star meaning. Next is what is coming? Fourth formula. What are the quantifiers? Are you understanding? K means what? Exactly 1K, single occurrence. K plus means what? Either 1 occurrence or more number of occurrences. K star means what? Either 0K or 1K or more Ks. Now I am talking. K question mark. K question mark means question mark. Question mark says what? Either answer or no answer. When I am asking a question, what you will give? Either answer or no answer. No answer means what? 0 matches. 1 match means what? Answer matching. Correct or not? So what is the answer now? Case question mark. Important. Searching for, oh, come on. Either 0K or what? 1K. That's all. Either 0K or 1K. How to apply that? Go to the place. I'll apply this. See this carefully. See this carefully. Now I am going to apply like this. Program for demonstrating searching for either 0K or what? 1K. Now I am writing 25.py. Here I am writing same question mark, you write it. What are the answers are coming here? What the answer is coming here? Starting index and then value. What is the starting index? 0, 1, 1K is there. Next is what? 1, 1, nothing is there. Next is called what? 2, 2, 0, 1, 2. 2, 3, 1K is there. Next is called what? 3, 4, 1K is there. Here nothing is printed, right? Like that it will be printing either 1K or what? 0K. Either printing either 0K or 1K. Try to execute. Try to execute. Now I am going to take up, execute this part. PY. See this now. PY. So PY. See that now. 0 to 1, 1K. 1, 1, no K. 2, 3, 1K. 3, 4, 1K. 4, 4, 0K. 5, 5, 5, 6, 1K. 6, 7, 1K, 7, 8, 1K, 8, 8, no K, 9, 10, 1K, 10, no K, 11 also no K. This is searching for what? Either 1K or what? 0K, 0K. So this is about what? Quantifiers. Now I want to search for, it is also a very good point. I want to search for all the occurrences of all the letters. Are you following me? I want to search for all the occurrences of all the letters which is there in my string. That is called, can anybody can answer it? We are searching for particular thing. We want to search for all where it is available. Each occurrence I want to search for. For that, there is a dot is there. Dot. Dot. Dot says what? All. Searching for all. Now, K occurrences. What is that? 0, 1, 1K. 1, 1, 2, 1V, 2, 3, K, 3, 4, another K, 4, 5, like that. Each letter occurrence will be printed. That is called what? A dot. See students, I'll go for here what? 26.py, 26.py. Come to the point back. Py, 26.py. You see carefully, understand, you observe these indexes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is this called? All the occurrences are printed here. KV and K, each letter, everything is printed. Are you following this? This is comes under what? Dot. Online students, I will write fifth one is called what? Dot. Dot. What is this dot? Searching for all occurrences. Searching for all occurrences, searching for all individual occurrences of each value. This is called what? A star approach. Now, online students, got it? Try to respond, ma. So, keeping everybody silent. So, now I am writing. This is called what, you know? The value called what? 0K or 1K. 0K or 1K. This is called what? All. Now after that, some extra points I would like to discuss. Now I am going to talk about some most important points also. I will speak about it. Most important points. Now look at that carefully. I will prepare some important points. And from there, I am preparing something. So we are learning in our education, 9th table, 11th table, maximum 20 tables. 21, 23, 24, we will not learn it. That means we are basic tables when we learn it. Other tables you can prepare. Now I am starting. First point you remember, /D, search for what? One digit. One digit means what? Single occurrence. You can also use like this now. 0 to what? 9. It looks for what? Single digit. I want to look for what? One or more digits I want to search for. Actually, regular expression, after learning these formulas, you have to apply the formula on the problem. A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square, if you learn it, you have to apply on the problem. If you don't remember the formulas and working on the problems, nothing will happen. Tell me /D or 0 to 9 will give you what? Single digit searching. But I want to search for what? One or more number of digits. What it will give you? I will write plus. /D plus. What is the /D actually? Predefined character class. 0 to 9 is called which class? Programmer defined character class. So 0 to 9 plus searches for what? Searches for what? One digit or more number of digits. More number of what? Digits. Now, for example, I want to search for 2-digit number. Only 2-digit number I want to search. Only 2-digit number I want to search. How do you search it? /D, D you need to write. /DD you need to write. Searches for what? 2-digit number. 2-digit number. Or how do you write it here? 0 to 9 stands for one digit. Another 0 to 9 is for what? Another digit. How many digits? 2 digits. If I want to search for 3 digits, /DD. /DD. How many digits? 3 digits. 0 to 9, 0 to 9, 0 to 9. How many digits? 3 digits. So I am writing here searches for 2-digit number exactly. 2-digit number. 2-digit number. 2-digit numbers only. 2-digit numbers only. In general, come on now. In general, I am writing /D. I want to search for mobile number validation. Mobile number contains how many digits? So I have to write a D, 10 digits. I have to write like this. Is it my waste of time or not? So I don't want to take up that /D. I say in the curly brace, I will write what here? 10 I will write it. What is the meaning of the 10? It is search for 10 digits. 10 digits. You can also write it as what? N I can write it. What is the meaning of N? Searches for N digits. Searches for N digits. Or we can also write it as 0 to 9 of what? N. Searches for N digit number. N digit number. Are you following? Right. I want to search for another requirement is I want to search for minimum 2-digit numbers, maximum 4-digit numbers. And 2-digit numbers plus 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers. I don't want to search for 5-digit numbers. I don't want to search for 6-digit numbers. I want to search for what? 2, 3, 4. Or I want to search for 3-digit numbers and what? 4-digit numbers. What I will do? I am writing one more point. I am writing, students. I will write it N comma M. N comma M. What is this now? N comma what? M. Are you following? It is search for minimum what? N digit number and max for what? M digit number. M digit number. So when I say here what? 2, 3, 5. It looks for what? 3-digit number, 4-digit number and 5-digit number. Never looks for what? 2-digit numbers and etc. Very important. Looks for what? M digit numbers. M digit numbers. So I hope you are following it. That is one part of what? D related extension. Second table, 12th table, next 22 table, like 32 table, wherever 2 is coming, we can carry that. Next, fifth part, if you look into that, what I am writing now, /W. What is the /W? Word character. It is look for what? Word character. Or what you can write it here? Another way, how do you write it? A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9. It looks for what? Either alphabet, upper alphabet or lower alphabet or digit. All at once or one by one? One by one. Single occurrence only looking for. Now I am writing here. Plus I am writing. What is the meaning of plus? It looks for either single letter or more number of words. Single letter word or 2-letter word, 3-letter word, 4-letter word, one or more. Getting? Here also you can write it what? Plus. Meaning is what? Searching for either one word, either one letter or more number of letters will be searched. Are you able to follow? Now, if you want to search for separately 2-letter word and 4th-letter word, actually this is not a big doubt. It is a very simple. Search for what first? 2-digit word and search for what? 4-digit word. You are going to a fruit shop, only get the fruits. You go for another grocery shop, you get the grocery. From both of them, I cannot get the same place. There is no such regular expression. Are you following this? So, 2-letter word, 4-letter word, explicitly if you want, write separate search mechanism for 2 letters, 2 numbers, and write 4 things for 4. 2, 4, if you write, it search for 2-digit number, 3-digit number, and 4-digit. If you want to search for 2-digit number and 4-digit number, write 2 regular expressions. That is the meaning of it. Are you following? So it searches for what? Searches for either one word character, or what? More word character. More word character. I hope you are following that. Suppose if exactly I want to look for like this, now I am writing something like this. What is my another part of it? /W. I am writing here 4. What is the meaning of 4? It searches for 4-letter word. It searches for 4-letter word. Or you can also write it as what? You can also write it as what? 4 I am writing it. 4 here I am writing. 4 I am writing. It searches for what? Exactly 4-letter word. In general, if I write it M, it searches for what letter word? What letter word? Searches for M word length. Searches for a word whose length is what? M only. In general, if you want to go for it, same to same, I will write it. In general, I am writing. In general, if I want to look for /W of, I am writing 3, 6 I am writing. 3, 6 I am writing. What is the meaning of it? Searches for 3 word, 4 word, 5 word. Minimum what word length? 3 word length. Minimum 6 up. Minimum 3 word length, maximum 6 word. 3, 4, 5, 6. More than that, it won't be searching for it. So in general, I will write it M, what? N. M, N. You can also write it as what? A to Z of like this, I can write it. A to Z of M colon N, I can write it. So searches for what is that? Minimum. Searches for what? Minimum. I can write it. Minimum. What word? M word length. And the next is called what? N word length. n word length. So coming to the point of it, this is called what? The general description what we have. Suppose I want to search for a number called what? 22.34. I want to search for it. It is called a decimal numbers or not? What is this now? First to do? Automatically you have to get a thought of it. What is this now? /dd dot /dd, because the dot is also one symbol in the floating point number. I should search for a 2-digit number followed by 1 digit, and next what? Followed by another 2 digits. I need to write like this. So it search for another 8th. I will write it. /dd dot /dd searches for a floating point value, searches for a floating point value, searches for a floating point value which contains two integers, which contains an integer part whose length is 2, and number of decimal places. Number of decimal places are what? 2. Decimal places are 2. If I write 3, number of decimal places are what? 3. If you want, you can write 3. 3 I am writing it. Are you following? This is the way all these regular expressions to be prepared with our intelligence. Based on the formulas which I said, almost I gave you 16 formulas in programmer defined and almost 16 predefined, and quantifiers are how many? Plus, question mark, and then star. You apply on this and any type of regular expression you can prepare it. So 9 digits can prepare any big number. These formulas will prepare any of the things. This will come by practice. Once you started practicing, automatically your thought of applying this data will be coming across. Shall we go for the programming now? Quantifiers has done it. Quantifiers has completed. Now I am going to introduce programming on this area. Write down that now. Open the notes. All of you write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will validate mobile number, which will validate mobile number, which will validate mobile number, which will validate mobile number. That is the mobile number validation by using, write down, by using regular expressions. By using regular expressions. By using regular expressions. Actually, every regular expression code can be written with a normal Python coding also. But only thing is, it's just short in writing. Regular expression code is not 10 pages, 14 pages, not like that. With the 2 to 3 lines of code, we can search for the data. Suppose if you are feeling difficulty, you write a normal coding. Already a lot of coding standards I already explained for you. So let's go to the mobile number validation. So what did you understand about the mobile number validation? Write down under that, after that. Next line you write, mobile number must be an integer value. 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 And it should not be alphanumeric. It should not be alphanumeric. And it should not be alphanumeric. Next line, no special symbols to be allowed in. No special symbols to be allowed in. No special symbols to be allowed in mobile number. And whose length must be 10. And whose length must be 10. Whose length must be 10. Whose length must be 10. Are you following? Now, see that how to write it. It should be what? I can write a normal coding also. I can finish it because it will take 15 lines of code. But if I go for this, it will take some 6 lines or 7 lines it will take. So program for mobile number validation. Mobile number validation. So I'm going to take it by using what? Regular expression. So I'm going to take mobile number validation example1.py. So I'm going to start with. How do I write it now? Start with first MNO is equal to int of or something like I will take input of, because I want to accept everything in the form of string type. To measure its length first of all. Enter your mobile number. Enter your mobile number. So enter your mobile number. So I'm getting this data. That mobile number length is what? 10. First I will check the length of it. If the length is 10, I will search in that length whether the digits are there or not. How do I do it? If len of MNO is equal to what? 10. Why I am taking string type here? Because to measure the length of it. I say here, I'll write lots of code here. Lots of code I will write it. If it is else, what I will do? If the mobile number you entered 11 digits or 9 digits by mistake, what is that? What is happening? Invalid mobile number. I will write what? Invalid mobile number. Invalid mobile number. Because it contains what? In that mobile number, I may enter some digits as well as what? Alphanumerics also. It contains. What is that? It contains. First I am focusing on what? Length. It contains, right? Length. It contains, I say like this, digits. Or what? ALNUMs. Dot format of what? LN of what? MNO I am writing. MNO I am writing. I say try again. I say try again. Try again I am saying. Try again I am saying here. Are you able to follow? When you say try again, I will write what? While true I will take up. While true I will take up. This is a standard you need to take care. So done. See students, you try to run students once. I'll write pause for a few minutes. 1 minute I will write pause there. I'll write the pause. So there I am writing. There I am writing. One more bracket. Okay. So one more bracket I will write it. So coming to the point back to this execution. PY. See this now. Got it. Enter some number here. Enter some number. So 9999, some 3 digits, 5 digits. I am writing some more digits here. One more 9 I entered. What is happening? Invalid mobile number, it contains 11 digits. It contains 11 digits. Are you following me? I'll write one more thing. I'll reduce 2 more digits. What it is? Invalid mobile number. It contains what here? 9 digits. Next I'm writing what here? I'll write some alphabets here, ABC. What is this now? 12 digits. Now I'll enter exactly what? 10 digits I will enter. Perfectly I will enter 10 digits. It is enter into where? Inside the here. If you look into that, it will enter inside the if statement. There I will write the coding now. So since I did not write anything, I did not write anything, it is valid only. But I'll say what? Once it is valid, I will say break. So let us stop that. I will come back once again after writing lots of code. Tell me now. Since I entered a number called 10 digits only, but in the 10 digits, what is happening? You take it once again. If this is the case, you see, I will enter 10 digits only, but I am entering one A. I am entering one A. Are you able to follow? I am entering one A. It is also 10 digits only. It is also 10 digits only. See, when it is 10 digits, it is coming to what? I wrote it. If statement, I wrote the code. This part, I will write the validation of mobile number contain digits or not. How do you do that? Any idea? This is containing a single value. In that single value, I want to search for what? Only digits. Now I will go for RE dot search. I will apply. Why? Because a single value, I'll go for what? Searching. Mobile number, I am not looking for same number again and again now. I'll look for what? Search that value. What I will search in that value? Digits. How many digits? What is our syntax? Search pattern, comma, your given data. This is our syntax or not? What is the search pattern? How many digits must be there in the mobile number? How do you write it? /d of 10. /d of 10. Comma. What I will write? MNO. What is my MNO? Is my given data. String data. MNO is taking. What is returning? What is returning? Some result is coming. What is that result can be? What is the result can be? Out of order. How do you know that it is searching exactly 10 numbers? If it is returning, if it is 10 digits are there exactly, RES type is what? Match object. If it is not containing 10 digits, it is returning what? None. I already told you. So RES not equal to what? None. RES not equal to none. I am writing. Already explained this function. What is this now? If it is that, I'll say what? Your mobile number is valid. Your mobile number is valid. I can say /t. Your mobile number is valid. Is valid. Is valid, I can say. Dot format of course, not necessary. Only I'll say that. And I'll say what? Break. Valid and then say break. If it is else, what should I do? If anywhere else that a digit is MNO contains 9 digits are there, one alphabet is there. Is search function is matching with the 10 digits in that MNO now? No. What is that RES? RES is what? None. None is not equal to none. False. False. What I'll say? I say /t. Mobile number contains what? Alphabets. Alphabets. Or what you know? Symbols. Symbols also may be there. Dot format of what? MNO. MNO. I'll say try again. I'll say try again. Try again, I say. So this is called our validation part. You can write normal Python programming also for this. So carefully follow. Execute it. Now try for this. You just break it. What I will write it? Import what? RE. Import RE. See now. I'll say like this. PY. What is this now? Done. What happens? So last part of it is line number, right? Line number 9. Execute students. PY. See students. Enter your data. See that number of digits are, I hope many are there. It is what? Invalid mobile number because it contains what? 11 digits. You say now how many digits are there? 9 or 10 now? 9 are there. It is also called what? Invalid. Now you say like this. What is containing? How many are there? This is called how many? 9, 5, 9, 9, 9. How many are there? 8, 9. 1 A is there. 1 A is there. Totally how many? 10. What is the length here? 10 is equal to 10 true. RE dot search of what? My regular expression is what? 10 digits. But MNO contains what? 9 digits only. 10th place when it is going, it is not matching. That time what is RES is saying? None. None not equal to none. False. Coming to which part? That number will print contains alphabets and symbols, and try again means it is going to the loop once again. 999 contains alphabets or symbols, try again. Try again. Go for what next? I'll write one symbol here. One symbol I entered. What is that? Same thing. Are you following? Something like this I am entering some small X I am writing. It is also going to contain some alphabet or something. I will write some 9 here. It is saying that perfectly your mobile number is valid and breaking it. Are you following? This is about what concept? Mobile number validation. Suppose my mobile number must start with either 9 or 8. My mobile number will start with what? 9 or 8. What you will do? What you will do, students? Enter your mobile number validation. Example number 2. Enter your mobile number. My mobile number should start with what? 9 or 8. What you will do? What you will do? Teledu. 9, 8. 9, 8. I wrote it 9, 8. What is the meaning of 9, 8? 9 or 8. After that, what I will do? After that, what I will do? I'll go for what? 0 to 9. 0 to 9. First it starts with what? 9, 8. After that, 9, 8. What I am writing there? I am writing what next? 8 I am looking for. 8 I am looking for. Try to run this code once. Try to run this code. You experiment it. Go for that. PY. See this now. Enter the data. 7777. How many are there? It is going to contain how many? So, something like this. Say 9, 9, 9. And the next 8, 9, 8, 9, 8. So, I hope. What is this now? It is giving, of course, it is. I should change the message. What message I have to change? What message I have to change? It is not matching now. Contains alphabets, symbols, and not containing what? 9 or 8 as starting value. As what? Starting value. You try to compile that. You see that it is going to message is coming. Are you following? You enter something like 9. You say take the same thing. You say here what? 9. What is happening now? Valid. You say next is called what? 8 you say. 8 is valid. You say 9. You say 9, 9. 8, 8 you say. Valid or invalid? Come on. Valid. 8, 8. Either 9 or 8. Or both 8s also, no problem. See that. Next I'll go for what? 9, 9. 9, 9 also entered. It is going to be like this. So for all these things, what is required? Some intelligence is required. Spontaneous mind is required to prepare it. Why I took it as 8 here? Because already 2 digits over now. That's why I'm taking this type of decision. Spontaneous mind is required to prepare that. Shall we go to next? Write down. Write a Python program. Online students, did you understand this example? I am asking, you are not responding. So I am not going to call again and again, students. When I ask, try to respond it. So, okay, students. Write a Python program which will extract names of the students. Names of the students. Names of the students from a given text. From a given text. From a given text. From a given text. Now I will go for one example. Program for extracting the names. I'm going to take it. Program for extracting names of students. Names of students. Now I am writing. What is this now? Names. Names. From text. Names from text. .py. Okay. Student names from text .py. Import RE. C students. I'll take it. Given data is equal to. I'm going to understand in this case. Now I'm writing some part here. Carefully follow, students. I'm writing. Rosam got 22 marks. Rosam got 22 marks, comma. Richie got some 55 marks, comma. Travis got some 33 marks, and Kine got some 11 marks. This is my given data. I can keep this data even in file also. I will come to files concept also, how to get it. Like this, I am having some number of, say, big text is there. A big 10 pages of text is there, because we cannot write text, 10 pages of text. Text will be coming, that a big data will be coming in the form of files. It may be Excel file, it may be PDF file, it may be any file. I'll come after that. This part, I want to get the names and study this given one thing. And actually PVM don't know whether it is a name or word or it don't know, right or not. Got is called what? Word. Marks is called one word. Rich is called one word. All of them are called words only other than the numbers. PVM don't know it is a name. Is PVM knows Rosama? Is PVM knows this Richie and all those things? No. It is our intelligence to prepare by studying the data. The data is given like that. We need to get the names of the people. How do I get it? Study this now. Rosam. Observe the R here. Capital. Richie you see capital. Travis you see capital. Kine you see capital. If M also contains capital, marks also will be considered as a name only. Are you getting? And don't ask me, sir, if marks contain capital letter, what? Beginning only I am saying. If M marks is there, M1, Travis got M marks. That M is a capital, that also will be considered as name only, because we are preparing the regular expression like that. There is no regular expression for the names of the people. If you want to take the names of the people, you have to take all the names in where? One list you have to take it. And 180 crores or 160 crores of Indians names, if you want to take it, how much time it will take? That's why the data study says that what? Capital are all the names of the students, first letters are what? Capital. So prepare the regular expression. How do you prepare it? How do you prepare it? Names list is equal to RE dot, come on, find all. One name or more than one name? More than one name. Search I cannot use it. You can use find ITR also, no problem. Find ITR will give you what? Indexes also will give you. Starting value, ending value plus group value. Because I don't want to bother about what? Indexes. Will you bother about indexes of the names? Now I want to find only names. How do I find out, ma? Find all. What is that now? Search pattern you have to prepare and given data. Given data, anyhow I am taking it. This is my given data. What is this now? Search pattern I am going to take it. What is the search pattern? Is a question mark. That you need to prepare very well. How do you prepare? Tell me. Names I want to look for. Names means what? Names means what? Alphabets must be there. Alphabets means I told you how to search for the alphabets. A to Z I said, small a to Z I said, plus I said, my star I said, question mark I said, A to Z I said, small a to Z I said, 0 to 9 I said. By keeping all these things in the mind, you have to prepare the regular expression. What is this name says? What the name says? First letter must be what? Capital. Definitely I must write what? A to Z, one capital letter I want. Just now I said, na 9, 8, I want to search for one number. It should start with either 9 or 8 or 8 or 9. Right? Here, I want to search for one capital letter. After that, small letters are there. After that, small letters. I am studying the data, I am preparing my things. You don't ask me, sir, it is containing capital or alpha, capital or small. If it is there, capital or small. A to Z, again I will write what? Small a to Z. But first letter is what? Capital. Rest of the letters according to my data set, what is there? A to Z. How many? One or more. One or more. What I will write? Plus. That's all. What is this A to Z? One upper alphabet. Next is what? Any number of smaller alphabets. Maybe 1, one small alphabet or one or more small alphabet. This is called regular expression for searching this data. Don't ask me got G capital. If G capital, got also will be searched. According to my given data, we are preparing the search pattern. How do I write it? A to Z and the next what? A to Z. I am not writing inside. If I write A to Z, what is looking for? All of them will be looking for. All of them. Row sum, got, marks, everything. It will be looking for. What is that you see? What is that I will write plus here? You see the answer now. Print off what here? Names list I am writing. Names list. So I am writing here. Names list. Print it. You just try to see. Names from text. Names from text. You just try to print it. Execute it. PY. Names from text. See, everything got it. Are you following, students? So I want to get it what? Got it. Everything got it except numbers. What I am doing? I am wisely preparing my regular expression. A to Z separate. A to Z separate. Small a to Z separate. Small a to Z separate. Then got it GD. Print the names list to students. See, students, what I got it? Only names. And is a wise, it's an intelligence type of preparation is required. But what is the base for preparing everything? Programmer defined, predefined quantifiers. These are very important. Right? Done. These are done. Names list is done. If you want to print it, print. What is this? Names of students. I will write it. You know, this is natural. Name in where? Names list. Names list. Print of what? /T. Dot format of what? Name I will write it. Name I will write it. See that? I got names of students. I got like this. Are you following? Right. So this type of data present in where? For example, file. It is present in file. How do you take the file? Names I got it. Names I got it. For example, student, sorry, one more example I want to take it. Marks I want to get it. Marks I want to get it. Marks from text. Marks from text. How do you get it? The marks from text. Here, same data. What I will do? /D plus. /D plus. What is that D plus? One or more digits. Ante, simple. Marks of students. Here I will write what? Marks list. So, marks list. Say what here? Marks of students. Marks of students. Here I am writing marks. Marks. I will write it here what? This is called what? Marks. Marks. Here I am writing what? Marks. So, coming to the point back. Marks from text. Marks from text. Come out of that. PY. This is, I got it, marks. Are you following? Names plus marks you want to get it. If I want to get both of them asking at a time, not possible. Dear students, both of them get a time, not possible. Names plus marks I want to get it. What is that? How do you write it separately? How do you write separately? You have to get it like this. This is names. What is the names list? I will take names list. RE dot what? Find all of what I can say. A to Z, and next is what? Small a to Z plus comma what? GD. Now I am writing here. What is this now? Names /T. Names /T. I am writing student names, student marks or marks of student. I will do like this. I am writing here. Name comma marks in where zip of already you know zip students. Names list comma what? Marks list. You print it here. /T. What I will write? What is this? Names comma marks. So I'll write it. Names marks from text. names marks from text. Get it? Out of that. Py, got it? Names and marks. Of course, I will use one more \t for more clarity in your output. See, students, got names and marks of the students, got it. I hope you followed that, students. So, are you okay? So, like this, we are getting the names and marks of the students. Same data, assume that I'm going to keep this data into file. Some file I will create. Some notepad file you see. I'm going to write like this. I'll write like this, comma, I'll write it. So, Ambika got some 66 marks. And Rekha got, Ambika is what? Small letter I am taking. So, I am writing here A capital. So, Rekha, so got some 67 marks. I am writing like this. For example, what is this entire thing is called? File. File, this is called. I will save it. Any Excel file, it can be PDF file, can be whatever it might be the file. Today I am taking that file. Where I am saving it? 7 AM. Notes, I am saving into notes. What is this now? Within the double quotes, stud dot data. Stud dot data I am taking. Within the double quotes I am saving. Where? In notes. I did. Next, what I should do? I should read the data from the file and I should apply the regular expression on it. How do you do that? Go to the place and write the code. So how do you write it? Go to this place and say here, program for obtaining student names and what? Marks from what? Given file with what here? Regular expression. How do you do it now? Import RE. Import RE is normal only. Now tell me the logic. Come on. I should open the file now. So totally out of order. With open, name of the file. And you need to pass the complete path. What is my path? Here you see D: 7 AM, regular expressions, under regular expressions, under notes, there is a file name called what? Student dot. I will take this entire thing, get it from here and pass it, name of the file. If anybody is having that \n or all those things, I told you the technique for you, student, definitely \n is coming. Under the notes, I do what? Stud dot data, comma what? Come on, or read as what? FP. If any file does not exist, he will write exception. These are all those things explained to you. Except what? File not found error. Now I am saying that what is this? File does not exist. If it is there, indentation symbol. Tell me, I want to read the data. It is opened successfully, right or not? Then, if it is open, it will come to line number 5. If it is not there, you will be going for line number 8. Once it is there, coming to line number 5. What should I do? Read the file data. How do you read? File data is equal to, there are two functions are there, read and read lines. FP dot what? Read. FP dot read I will apply. That file data printed. For your understanding, I will print file data. I am printing. So this is called a file. PDF file or whatever it is, you have to go for it. What is this now? Names, marks from file .py. Save it, execute. Py, names files. I got the total data. File data, I got it. So coming to the point back, now I want to write the coding. File data is available. File data is nothing but one str type only. Read function will return str type. What I will do? I'll write the same logic. Which logic I will write? Names and marks. What is that names and marks here? You see, go to the previous place. Now I will carry this part. Same to same I am getting here. Are you following? Names I am getting, marks I am getting. See carefully. File data. I will pass what data here? File data. Here also what data? File data. Because I got it from the file. Pass the data to get your required desired result. Regular expression is one of the combination of alphabets, digits and special symbol, which is used to search in the given data, obtains the desired result. My desired result is a 2-digit number marks. And this is going to be file data names. And I'm going to apply like this and I'm saying like this. So here I'm applying. This is my data, which is applicable here. And the names and marks of the students I'm printing. And next I'm going to print it something like this. You try to execute, students. You go for that. PY. So execute. Got it. Names and marks got it. Are you following? Easy or difficult? Only thing is we don't remember files. Whichever topic we learn, we will learn it and we will forget it. Hearing from here, forgetting from here. Here reservoir is not there. So this is comes under what? What is this is comes under? How to read the data from the file and how to apply the regular expression. Okay, now write down one more example. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will extract email IDs from the given file. That may be a Word file or Excel file or whatever it is. From the given file. That means file is containing what? Some text is there. That text I will take it. Now I will take this file, student. Now I will copy this. Now I will create a new file, guys. New file I will write it. What is the new file? You please observe it. Rosam mail ID is, I am writing rosam.psf rosam dot something like what do you know, Python, rosam.python @ psf.com, for example. Richie mail ID is, I am writing here Richie 1 dot C @ bell.com, Bell Labs. Travis mail ID, I am writing some mail ID is, I am writing Travis, right, dot some X @ something like numpy.org. Next, Kine email ID is, I'll write it Kine something like 123 @ what, I'll say here pandas.org. Next, Ambika mail ID is, so mail ID is, so I'm writing here, so I'm writing some name dot pyt python at wipro.com, some name I am writing it. And Rekha mail ID is, so I'm writing something like Rekha dot what, Java @ tcs.org.net, for example. And KVR mail ID is KVR 1 Java, caviar1.java @gmail.com. Gmail.com. Like this, you can take full of text with mail IDs. Full of things with mail IDs. What is this now? Mails. Mails dot what? Data. Mails dot data. I am writing it. Mails dot data. This is the one. I want to get it what? Mail IDs I want to get it. Important. How do I get it? So write a code for it. What is that? Extracting from file this is. Wherever it might be the file. Program for extracting what? Mail IDs from given file by using regular expressions. Import RE with open. I'll say mails dot what data, comma R as what FP. File data, this. FP dot what? Read. Print of what? File data. I will write one try block because already writing try blocks. What is this now? Except file not found error. I say file does not exist. You say here, what is this now? Mails. Extract mails dot py. You will get what? File does not exist. You will get it. Right or wrong? You will get file does not exist. Execute py. So you will get what? File does not exist. Why file does not exist? Because mails is present in where? Some other folder. Go to the place and then need to write it. Here I need to write the data. So I'm writing something like slash like this. You save it, you will get what? Some error. What is that error here? OS error is coming. OS did not understand this backslash and all. So go to that, go to this double slash. Like this you try to use, guys. Like this. Now you see that file data, I got it. All the people's mail IDs got it. From that mail IDs, I want to get the only mails I want to get it. How do I get it? Mails is equal to RE dot find all. You can also say find ITR also you can write, student. Find ITER of search pattern. That is the intelligent point. Heart for this entire programming is that formula. So what is this formula? You need to go for it. What is this now? File data, that is called. Tell me, what should I pass it? That's the big question mark. You go to once, observe it. This you observe it. Careful. What is this observation? And see. Here, all the people, mail IDs will not contain what? Spaces. Spaces or no spaces? No spaces. It contains digits. It contains some other than space I want. Capital S. How many? Capital S means what? Other than space. How many? Row, sum, dot, everything is there. There is no space at all. It will take what? Except space. How many? Once. Except space means what? ROSSUM is also called other than spaces. How many? One or more? More. What is this? Slash S plus. What is that slash capital S plus? Other than spaces, one or more. What the symbol is required in every mail ID? At the rate. After at the rate, what is there? psf.com, kine.com, something like tcs.org.net, gmail.com, etc. Again, there also no spaces required. I'll write what? Slash S plus. If you go on practicing, a lot of formulas will come in your brain. You will become scientist also when you go on practicing it. Not practicing, not studying anything, you'll get lot of doubts about it. All these things are about backslash s already discussed or not? Quantifier is also discussed or not? We combine everything. These are the combined examples of regular expression. Go to that now. I will go for what? Say slash, what is this now? Slash capital S plus at the rate slash S plus. My dear students, don't give any space in that. Suppose by mistake, if you give any space like that, it will take what also? Space also. You should not give any space. Careful. I wrote everything inside the double quotes. Run this now. What will come? Mails. Print of what? Mails will come. Mails is which type? Mails is what? Callable iterable object. Now I want to get it. For mail in mails. For mail in where? Mails. How do you print it? Print of mail dot start index. Start index. Actually, index is not necessary. Just I am printing. Start, comma what next? Mail dot end, comma what now? Mail dot group. Group I am saying. Okay now? Mail dot group. You see this now. Extract mails. Save this code. And see students. PY. See this data. Got it. 18 to 39. One mail ID is there. And 59 to something mail ID. All these things. These mail ID are indexes necessary. Huh? Not at all necessary. So I'll go for what? I will not write this entire thing. If at all you are interested, you can go for what? This part only you can take it. Only mail IDs are coming. Are you following? That's all. If you want to print any kind of things like this, this is called a find all. Find ITER. So if you want, you can use what also? Find all. You can convert that mails into what? List. I'm writing here. List mails is equal to what here? List of typecasting. What is this now? Mails. Which object I'm converting? Callable iterable, callable underscore iterator object converted into which type? So converting callable underscore what? Iterator. Already told you find ITR is returning what? Object of callable underscore iterator. Mail I am converting into which type? List type. Into which type? List type object. List type object. Now I will write what here? List mails. List mails, huh? List mail. I'll just print what? Mail, that's all. You see now. Got it? What is printed here? I got match object. I got this type of data here. What is printed here? Mail. List mails. List what? We got it now. List mails. 1 minute more. Print of type of what is coming, we will see. List mails. What is the type? We will see first. So it is going to be what type? List. Okay. You print the data. What is that? For mail in where? List mails. List mails. Now say print of what here? Mail. One value will come. Try to run this. What is coming from there? It is going to give you this type of value. What is this mails? List mail. One more time, I will check it out. Print of what? List mails. List mails. I'll print it. Okay. Still it is coming in the form of which type it is coming? What it is coming? You see list only, but it is coming in the form of what? First value, second value. Each entry of the list is containing what? One match object is available. One match object is available. Each value of that it is containing match object. So for getting the data, what we will do? For mail in where? List mails, print of what? Mail dot what? Group I will say. Mail dot group I will say. Mail dot group I will say. I hope you got this data. Are you following? Like this you need to take. So why sir that entire difficulty? Because I want to look for only like this. Find all you can say. Mails I can say. Remove this entire thing. You get it what? List mail and print that. Relaxedly we can print like this. Happily you will get this kind of things. Getting? If you want to extract the names and mails, already you know how to get it. So coming to the point of it, I'll go for what? Extract what? Names and mails. File data. Mails I got it. Names you get it. Names is equal to RE dot find all of what you know. A to Z of what? A to Z plus comma what data? File data. So I will print it. Name I will print it. Name comma mail. Zip of what is this now? Names comma mails. Names comma mails. You can print there. You can print there. Some mails and names you can print it. So print off what I am saying. \t names. And next is called what? \t mail ID. Mail ID. So I'm writing mail ID. Getting. So that I will print it here. What do you know? \t. What is this now? \t. Dot format of what? Name comma mail I will take it. Name comma mail I will take it. This is my data coming to this area. So execute it. So take care about the file path, students. Somewhere else you save it, students. So go to this place. Execute this part. Py like this. Under the names, names are coming. Under the mail IDs are coming. If you want, you can put one small thing. So here I'll write it like this. Got it. If you want to add any something is added to your mail, I'll write it something to add your mail and I'll write it and I'll write it. So I'm writing here. Gosling mail ID. Mail ID is, so I'm writing here gosling123.java@sun.com. @sun.com. Save your file and run your program now. So you got it. What you got it? So here I got it. I hope so. And what is coming there? Something is missing there. What is missing? And Gosling KVR mail ID is, and Gosling mail ID is, it is coming this mail ID for that. So something is missing. What is missing? You take care. Names you take care, students, once. Or anywhere else something? Okay. Now see, students. Something like something is missing. Where else? Whose mail ID is missing? Here it is going to missing from here. Travis, Richie, Travis, Inne. Travis got 2 times, huh? Travis got 2 times. Okay. So, okay, students. So, some sort of information. Right. So just try to follow that. So it's not a problem, student. It's not a problem. Somewhere else you just observe it. 1 minute more. Travis got @numpy dot. Travis also second time got it. Mail ID @ Travis. Okay. So Okay. That is also taken as name. Now I got it. That is also taken as what? Name like that. So you got it. So now you got it. Separately you want to print it? You can separate it. So you can print it separately also. Names, marks I printed separately or not? You can print it. This is about regular expressions. If we come to that, regular expression is not one day topic. It is a continuous process. Combined examples on regular expressions. Programmer defined, predefined expressions like this. So on 24th, so 24th, Bhagavan, 24th, 4 p.m., 24th, 4 p.m., new Python batch will start. New Python batch will start 4 p.m. That is coming Monday. Coming Monday, new Python batch will start 4 p.m. Okay. This is about what? Regular expressions topic. So with this, major topic is completed. Tomorrow class, when I come back, 7:10, 7:20 class will start. And 8:20, I will take the topic name called 1 hour. Iterator, and next is called what? Generator topic, I will go for it. Generator topic, I will go for it. When my other batches other than Python will start, I will intimate my dear students. So tomorrow, 1 hour lecture, I'll go for this type of topic. Don't miss tomorrow class, important last class. Last class, don't miss the session. Okay now? Right. Thank you, students. Hold on, online students. I'll give the explanation. Any doubts are there, I'll talk to you. Right. Thank you. Students in the online? Anybody is having the doubt? Most welcome. So Geetika, I gave my number. I gave the number of NASCAM. Yesterday I gave the number. Please contact. Even in your Google Drive also, it is mentioned it. It is mentioned it. Rushikesh, all my notes you read it. There is no important questions like our things. You can take my complete notes and then read it. Rushikesh, there is no like important question. All questions are important. Swapna.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Eagerly asking this question, sir. You said that other than Python, you are going to start some course. No, sir. What is that? Can I know?
That I will take out ma. That's what I'm saying. Data science, we will look into that. If anything start, I will intimate it.
Okay, even I'm planning to attend, sir. That's the
Okay,
reason I
no
was.
problem, no problem. Yesterday you asked about some file reading, right? I hope
Yes.
you only.
Yes, sir.
So any thing you take it, you need to specify the path. Yesterday you have already half of the knowledge. Now you got it. I hope so.
Yes, yes, sir. I got it.
Okay, ma'am. Right. Right, students. Thank you. Don't miss the tomorrow's class. Important session. Don't miss it. Ramanujulu, definitely. Take care, students. All the best.